Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? I'm here ready to go somewhere today here in Seoul. I'm just on my laptop, just looking at the map and trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So basically, I'm chilling in my room right now, just sitting here, relaxing. I was doing some stuff on YouTube and things like that on my laptop. And so it's about 2 o'clock, and I was like, you know what, let me go do something. I'm not gonna sit in my room on, editing and doing all of this stuff, the whole day. So I wanted to make a video just to show you basically what I do. Here I am in front of the computer and I'm just looking for stuff to do. You know what? I downloaded an app to help me, so let me go ahead and use that. But I just wanted to show you the map. So I noticed that this is like, TripAdvisor attractions, that there's a couple of places over here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 that are pretty close to my location. And I like to travel or explore like a cat. So I think I'm gonna try to just walk along this area here and see what I can do. Let's check the app and see how to get there. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna go from Nabu bus terminal. The line's gonna go this way, and then it's gonna go off this way to Dokok, and then this line is gonna go up this way to this little intersection here, Samseong, which is where all of those places were. So let's go. Well, this is my street. This is my main street. I live right in that street right there. So now I'm just gonna walk to the station. It's at that light up there. So let's go. Bro, I am hot, sweaty. Oh man. I just walked about 15 miles to the entrance. So if you can imagine the park, it's like a circle. I got off the train at the top and the entrance was at the bottom. Go! I had to walk like 1,000, what is 1,000 meters? A kilometer? A kilometer. But you know what? The park is free today. It's culture day. What? So I was like, oh, right. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna take a walk and take some pictures and some videos for you guys. So, peace. Enjoy. And I know my camera's shaky, but when y'all want to donate a gimbal to me, feel free. The link is in the description. I always wanted to say that. The link is in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh God, I'm officially a YouTuber now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wow, really nice tune back there. Really cool. It's amazing how, the old and the new are side by side. Truly amazing.
reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that counting days until a second glow. If you're gonna make those shades, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around to start at the youngs.